Hey guys, Phil here with Custom Offsets TV. Now you might have seen the video that Banker did a while back called The Truth About BDS. Well, here's the thing. It's kind of long and I'm kind of lazy, so I didn't want to watch the whole thing and I thought maybe you guys didn't either. So today I'm going to tell you the 5 things that you didn't know about BDS suspension. So starting with number 5, one thing that people don't know about BDS lift kits is that they're actually made across the pond. And I don't mean overseas, I mean across Lake Michigan over in cold water. And I find that pretty impressive considering they're owned by the giant powerhouse of off-road, Fox. For number 4, the really neat thing about BDS suspension is because they're a better designed suspension, they actually have kits that work with the factory StabiliTrak and traction control systems in your truck, so that when you're driving down the road, you don't end up with lights lit up like a Christmas tree on your dash, and it's just safer in general when operating your vehicle. So for number 3, BDS offers probably the best warranty in the industry. They call it their no fine print warranty, which is basically no questions asked. It's that simple. If you go out there and you jump your truck, they're gonna cover it if one of their components breaks. I have a fuzz on my nose. You see this? I hope you can see that on camera. If you go out and use your vehicle and one of the BDS components breaks, they'll cover it. So to go hand in hand with that, their motto is use it and abuse it. So their own employees right at BDS are putting these kits on their vehicles. They're going out and testing them on road, on trail, so that they know that they're developing a good product for their customers. So again, use it and abuse it. That's what they want you to do. So for number 2, this is something that I really like about BDS, is that they offer kits for everybody. So whether you're putting it on your mall crawler and you're gonna go to the mall to show off with your bros, or you're gonna put a custom 4-link kit in there with coilovers, or you've got the Fox Factory Racing coilovers with dual bypass or triple bypass shocks. They have something for everybody. Pause for this semi. And like I said, that's something that I find really neat about them, is that they just offer a kit for everybody and every price point. So you do pay a little bit more for BDS as compared to some of the other cheaper brands, but you do get really nice quality. And then within BDS's own line, if you want to step it up and pay the money, you can get an extremely well-designed kit that's going to take a lot of abuse and is proven in the race world. So then lastly, the number 1 thing that you probably didn't know about BDS suspension is what it stands for. So depending on who you talk to, if you call up Fox Corporate and ask, they're gonna tell you it stands for Better Designed Suspension. But when you go talk to the boys in Coldwater, Michigan, the truth is, it stands for Big Dick Suspension. And that's all you need to know about BDS suspension. I hope you guys enjoyed the 5 things video. Please like it, share it, tell your friends. If I get more views than Cody, I get a bonus. So that's why we're making this. I'm just trying to beat him out. Peace. Sick. Let's take a thumbnail.